Watch this video from beginning till the end if you've been considering buying a rotator. This is 100 kg rotator. This rotator can rotate as high as 100 kg, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing this rotator together. I got this rotator a while, and since then I have not opened it, but in this video I'm going to be unboxing it, and then I'll be installing it and showing you all how this works. Like, this is the so far this is the highest size of this rotator that I've seen. This is the widest I've seen. I have the smaller size. Let me show you. This is the smaller size. I've had this for a while, over like 2 years or thereabout. This is the smaller size. Between this size and this size, there are two other sizes in between them. So there are three sizes before this. There are two other sizes in between this and this. But for this rotator, for this kind of rotator, this is the biggest size that I've seen, and this can rotate as much as 100 kg. So how heavy can your outfit and your mannequin combine together be, except you want to rotate maybe 3 or 4 mannequins that have dresses on them at the same time? That's when this will not rotate. But as long as your mannequin or your dress, your mannequin and your dress combined together is not as heavy as 100 kg, this is going to rotate. In fact, this will rotate a whole human being that is lesser than 100 kg. I'll be standing on it and rotating it soon for you all to see. So this comes with a charger. This is the charger. Obviously, it has to work when there is power supply. It's not something you charge and use for later. So it has to be connected to a power source before it can work, because it is an electric rotator. So some of this rotator comes with a remote control, but unfortunately where I got mine, the person didn't put a remote control, but I called him already, and when next I got there, I'll be collecting my remote control. So it's supposed to come with a remote control, so there is no too much drama. It's just for you to connect this wire to this, and then you plug this to a power supply and you switch it on here. You can rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Can go in 2 directions. It can be going like this, and then you switch it back to going this way. We'll see that soonest. So let me plug this and stand on it for you all to see. So once you connect it, this blue light comes on. That's to tell you that it's connected already. Then you can switch it on. Now it is that simple. So it's going this way. If you want it to go the other direction, all you just have to do is all you have to do is to just, it's that simple. So now let me stand on this for you to see. Boom! Beep, beep, beep. You can imagine. My current weight is 71. I'm 71 kg right now, and this thing is rotating me. So how heavy can your mannequin and the dress or the outfit combined together be? How heavy can it be? This thing can rotate as heavy as 100 kg. So in my opinion, if you've been considering getting this rotator, this size, please go ahead. It is a must-have. Imagine your beautiful dress on your cute mannequin turning around on this 100 kg rotator. Somebody will think that I'm selling it or probably working in the company where they manufacture it. No, I'm just doing this for my fellow fashion designers or boutique owners out there that have been, or whatever, whoever needs to buy, or whoever has been contemplating whether to buy this rotator or not. It is a good buy. So I got this at Idumota Market, like Lagos Island Market, for 140,000 naira. This 100 kg goes for 140,000 naira, Like I said earlier, I think there are four sizes of this. This is the fourth size. There are three other smaller sizes with definitely lesser prices, but this particular one goes for 140,000 naira. Thank you all for watching. Or let me put my mannequin on this first and rotate it for you all to see how beautiful an outfit I made is. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently on the stream. Merrily. I have to take this back a bit. Okay, let me start again. Yeah. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently on the stream. I'm still going to put this mannequin because this mannequin has weight more than this. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I hope I'm singing it well. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream, help! Yeah, so that's it for this particular mannequin. I'm going to be putting this one for you all to see. This thing can rotate as high as 100 kg. This is lighter than this. Ouch! Just make sure that you position it at the middle. In fact, on the turntable is written there that you should stand at the middle or place your whatever you are placing at the middle. So you can see. You can see, you can see. Don't mind me, I'm not dancing. Row, row, row your boat gently on the stream. Let me take it back a bit. Row, row, row your boat gently on the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Help! Hey, my name is Oluwatosin. In case it's the first time you are seeing my channel, and you're welcome, please do well to subscribe. Don't just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload a new tutorial on this channel. Because on this channel, what I actually do is to upload very, very interesting and educating sewing and cutting and sewing tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye.